Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel has officially been granted permission to perform in Trinidad and Tobago for the One Caribbean Unity Music Festival, right? But while fans are excited to see the world boss return to their stage after 15 years, the conditions surrounding his visit paint a much deeper problematic picture, right? Hold up, wait a minute. This is not about Vybz Kartel. It's about Trinidad own social failures, and I want you to understand that, right? What we see happening is Vybz Kartel entry into Trinidad was approved under Section 10(1) of the Immigration Act, allowing Vybz Kartel to stay for 7 days. However, the permit came with unusual strict restrictions. Security bond must be posted. We don't know the exact amount. Crazy, right? So only allowed specific radio interviews, which I do not believe Cartel will do, barred from participating in any community outreach, crime awareness programs, or panel talks, prohibited from any activity or speech that could be construed as promoting gangs under their anti-gang act. Songs restrictions include banning tracks like Good Like Jesus, must cover all security ban and incidental costs himself, which means they could plan something to go wrong and then the show, that would just cost Vybz Kartel a fortune, and that to me is just ridiculous with what they're doing. So Jonathan Gomez, head of the festival, said everything is cleared for the show and promises an electrifying performance from the world boss at Saturday's Queen Park Savannah. To me personally, this isn't about Cartel, it's more about Trinidad, a country deeply struggling with crime and violence and their culture and youth delinquency, right? They're projecting their own national crisis onto Cartel, a Jamaican artist who, while controversial in the past, has remained within, haven't had any legal issues on the international scene or anything like that. We're performing is concerned, performing worldwide and everything like that. You know what I mean? So yet Trinidad is instead welcoming Cartel as a threat rather than an entertainer. That's how they are treating him, because their own local artists, many of them actively involved in crime and violence or activities, who blend their music with the things that they're doing and all of that, and Trinidad cannot control that, and they're failing to properly mentor and uplift the generation, and instead of owning that failure, they are casting outside figures like Vybz Kartel into their web of fear, basically. You know what I mean? These permits restrictions don't reflect Vybz Kartel action. They reflect Trinidad own insecurities and internal crime and violence rampant, especially among the youth. Local artists, as I said, often glorify or live the very life that they're singing about, unlike Cartel, who, despite lyrical content, separate art from personal life, at least when performing abroad. You know what I mean? Instead of confronting this head on, they use outside figures as scapegoats. They did the same thing to Chris Muslis when he went there. You know what I mean? Trinidad is not treating Cartel based on who he is. They are treating Cartel based on how they have allowed their own entertainers and communities to become, right? Let me know in the comment section if I'm wrong. You know what I mean? So Vybz Kartel should do this. Go to Trinidad, you know what I mean? And this is not out of disrespect. Arrive in Trinidad the day of the performance, do the show, take your bag, book your flight, and leave the same night. Make it clear to them, I came to perform, not to fix your country. I am not your local artist. I don't need your validation. I came for my fans, my Trinidadian fans. This isn't bitterness, Trinidadians. It's dignity, and we need Cartel to have that. We love Trinidad and it's a beautiful place, incredible culture, but this kind of treatment is insulting to the world boss, not only to Cartel but to Jamaica as a nation, and to every fan who just wants to see their favorite artist perform. Them want to see the Gaza boss. You get me? I say, so we don't like to see it. So Trinidad, this performance isn't about you. It's about your crime crisis, your legislative overreach, or your fear. It's about music. It's about unity. So let Cartel do what he does best, entertain, and leave your internal failures of, to you. Let's stop treating international artists or people like they're criminals and start addressing the real problems at home. At your home. Cartel didn't bring chaos or anything like that. He's just there to perform. So if you watch the video up until this point, the people, my subscribers, remember this. Trinidad treatment of Cartel reflect their own crisis, not Cartel behavior at all. So anything with them want say, no go so. Vybz Kartel has performed global with no issues, no fear, no misplace, no nothing, no restrictions, rooted in, you get me I say? So Trinidad protection of guilt is unfair and unnecessary, and Cartel should treat it as a business. Perform, collect your money, leave swiftly. Music should be a bridge, not a battleground. So let the artist go there, or I should say Vybz Kartel should go there on the night or on the day of the performance, perform for an hour, 2 hours, however long Cartel and the promoters them decide that they will that he will be perform, and right after the performance, book a flight and leave. Trinidad issues are for Trinidad, for them to deal with, not for Cartel to be superhero or a man in the cape. No, that's not his job. His job is to entertain, perform, and cut. So Johnny Bravo, the promoters, any one of you watching this right now, please advise Cartel, TJ, advise Cartel to do this. This is what we want Vybz Kartel to do as a Vybz Kartel fan. Right? Me tired of the disrespect. Like me personally tired of the disrespect for Cartel. Yes, big Cartel fan. Objective, we bias sometime, but we're tired of the disrespect. You know what I mean? Trinidad need to do better than what them do. And the whole money that we Cartel supposedly supposed to pay them for security costs and some bag of things unnecessary. We never yet see this from no other artist who got Trinidad. No other person who got Trinidad. Regardless of them history. Regardless of them history and regardless of what them do. You know what I mean? So this is a personal attack on Vybz Kartel and nothing else. And even the defense minister, the way him outline everything, you can see the hate on him face. You can see the hate you can hear the hate in him voice. Personal hatred for Vybz Kartel and his personal views on what he believes is right or wrong. You get me I say? So that's just that. Cartel for just perform and cut. You know what I mean? So Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed. You know what I mean? This is another video. So big up Vybz Kartel and big up Trinidad just to see him. We love Trinidad. You know what I mean? Me always do a lot of videos on Trinidad, and we just feel like this was one way we didn't need to come talk about. That is it. I'm out.